2 days.
Maggie? Maggie?
Southeast people with her, tried to talk to her.
What's going on, Maggie?
Make her feel that she's gonna be fine.
What you got around your head?
They have a long way to go before the scars are healed.
Did you pick out your staples?
Their future is definitely looking
Look, Debbie can talk to you now. Ow. Yeah. She looks like a queen. Come here, Dub. Come here, Debbie. Oh, poor Maggie.
recovery chances.
Poor Maggie.
Extreme weather
Oh,
conditions wreak havoc throughout southern Florida.
poor Max. That's a sweet girl. Let's see your belly. Let's see your belly.
Our two friends, George and
Where's
Weezy,
some
were doing
stitches?
better.
Ooh,
Hurricane Frank.
those are some stitches.
George and Weezy did really well.
How you
but
feel about
Weezy's
that?
family got sick, and then George got sick, and Weezy suddenly
You know,
died.
can you move? Come on.
An hour ago.
Can Maggie walk? Come here, Maggie. Come here, Maggie.
Sad, though.
Lift your head up. Come on.
Kind of a failure.
Come on, Max. Come here, Maggot.
We're doing our best to try to save him. We've got him on the
You're not very happy, are you?
seems to be doing all right.
You're not very happy, are you? Yeah. Oh. Look, she doing it. She doing it. She can do it. Look, she walking. Good girl. Look, here's a bone. Here's a bone. Yeah. Can you get it? There you go. Good girl. Get here. Get your bone.
It's been
Get
a busy
your
day
bone.
for wildlife trappers.
Oh, let's see the teeth.
They were called
Where's
to
the
make
teeth coming in?
a spot safe from alligators attracted by free food from the fishermen. The trappers are on to their second gator.
I put it on your plate. I put it on your plate.
Risks entering the water to try to locate.
It's on your plate. There.
Kevin Garvey carefully draws it.
You don't want it?
Coming in sideways. He's right here.
Poor Meg.
Thing is so murky.
Here.
He'd be biting my
Here.
foot before I'm gonna know.
It's a bone. What about this bone? What about this bone, Meg?
With Todd injured, it's down to Kevin to haul this beast out.
She got it.
No, you jerked the
She
heck
getting used to it.
Let's get some tape on this critter. Okay.
Aww. Say bye-bye, Maggie.
Steel lasso
Bye-bye.
is jammed on the alligator's mouth.